Good evening everyone, Oxford's famous explorer. Me and Urban Paranormal Oxford have drove 3 hours to get to a location better known as the Retro House. Look at this. Look at that monster of a house. So this is complete full time capsule. I've seen it once or twice, seen pictures of it. When I say full, this is full. But listen, the neighbours are outside the house. We've got to get in, be quiet. I will see you inside, okay? See you in a minute. Guys, look at this. Look at this picture. Look at this room. Guys. This room is mental. This room is great. The power obviously still works. It's like there's electric on. Look at that. Claire.
I wonder what happened to him.
I don't know, but look.
It's very weird in here. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Do me a favour.
Family.
Look at all this, guys.
Wow.
Wow, mate. This is
Stay on that
immense.
paper.
I'm loving this bit. Look at this, guys. Look at that view from there. Look at that picture. This place is a complete time capsule. Look at it, man. Wow. All these books. Look. This is an incredible place. Absolutely incredible. Look at this. Look. That picture is mental. I mean, just have a look at it. It is all just full. Look. Never seen nothing like this in my life. Wow, this now, look at that old stereo. Oh man, yeah. So I'm back, guys. I'm just trying to get a picture of this iconic bit, but I can't. Oh well, who's that in there? Look at that. What a stunning place there, guys. I mean, look. I can't go. I'm in the way of it. Look at that picture, man. And that stereo is amazing. Time capsule. This is a proper stunning place.
It's nice.
Amazing place, Claire. Isn't it? Look in this. Look in this.
Can't get it. It's so
Can't, can you? I can't.
it's taken out of mine as well. It's too bright.
All these books, man. I love the old Rubik's cubes as well. Look at them. Look at these lovely doors. Is this open? Oh God! Have more storage out here. Look at all this. Oh God! Not gonna make too much noise in there. Go upstairs. Come on.
I can't remember her name.
Yeah, just don't show the address.
Sandra.
Look at it, guys.
Can I get out, please?
Look
get out
how
there.
full this is. Does the power work? No.
Sandra's house.
This is incredible. Claire, follow me. Come on. This is massive. Leave the door open. Turn your light off, I would. Fucking hell. So we've been in this room, haven't we? Have a quick look in here. Of the bedroom. Look, just have a look at the little bits. Look at it, man. All the little bits left everywhere. Clothes hung up on the door. There's everything in here.
This is so creepy.
Look, guys. Look. Amazing.
Why is it?
She's down that wall there. Oh.
Engineer.
Let's go, guys. Claire needs to turn the light off there. We're avoiding this room on the right. We do not go in there.
Let's go then.
Oh my God, look all that under the stairs. Guys, look at this old manor house. They will.
Mirrors. Look. Cupboards. Shut up.
Quick. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this abyss. What is that? My word. Look. Turn that light off. I'm going to leave you in here. Watch. You'll be doing your stuff and I'm going. That'll make you laugh. She won't listen, guys. There's two neighbours in the garden. She's putting massive great torches on in the daytime. And I was in here first. Look, man. This room, since one of the videos I've seen, has been trashed as well. Absolutely trashed. Look. I know someone must be in here 5 times. Look. This old guitar. This American football shirt. This was the kids' room. Need to get over there. Go on then, come in.
I'm not feeling too gone.
Well, I'm going to be in here for a couple of minutes. Look at that, man. All the videos of VHS. Look at all these videos. Look at them all. RoboCop. You know this is old. They are all VHSs. Liverpool versus Everton. Look. Oh my God. Eric Clapton. Can't open this. You have to be so careful in here, guys. Sorry, guys, this is manic. But Claire, oh God, she's not learning. When I take it, she liked. This is old because she liked Bruce Springsteen. It's been abandoned for years. There's just stuff everywhere. Drums. The guitar. Look at the ceiling. This is crazy, man. I've never seen nothing like this in my life. Well, I have, but my word. You've got to be so careful in that old bookcase there. I can't get to it. An old child's cot. Look. This is mad. Who's that biggie? Oh wow. Look, guys. The Notorious B.I.G. I'm going to get some dates off these. 1995 on that. Guitar World. 1993. Oh my God. Claire. I'm going to let this idiot in here because she's sulking. Oh, are you? What's this room like? Oh, that's alright. Look at this, man. Wow. Don't be loud. Look at this. Where is this? Look. Oh my word, look at these. Oh my God. Look at these pictures. This is amazing. Look. Incredible. This houses. Guys, look at that on the main road outside, all the cars driving past. It's one of the most dodgiest ones I've ever done. God, I think there's a rat in here. Claire won't listen though, guys. I'm telling you now, that lady was in the fucking garden. Look at that. Look what else I just noticed. Oh wow, Roald Dahl, Dirty Beast. Oh wow, that is a cool book. Look at that in the corner. Old bird up in the cage. This house is absolutely jam full. Just this fucking lady next door. I mean, it's not her fault, she's allowed to do her washing in the garden. Obviously it's Good Friday, Easter Friday, we've fucking got her in the afternoon and put all the old ladies out to doing her garden. Yeah, look at that, the old Dalek. Look at that. Oh, phones. Yeah. All these books, all these encyclopedias. Drum kit up there, like I said, cool room. Look at that, guys, this house is falling down. I'm gonna get out this side of the house. And this is the room we come in. Just make sure. She's not out there. Yeah, look at that. There's a bed in here. Look outside, guys. Oh, the old telly over there. It's cool. Oh wow, look. Loving that man in the window. There's the family. Princess Diana. Superheroes. A special edition, mate. Oh, Indiana Jones. They liked Indiana Jones. As you can see, again. Oh, ram jam. Oh. I'm gonna close that. Oh my god. The bit I'm not looking forward to, guys, is when we leave. I'm not looking forward to that part. I have to do it in front of her. I don't want to scare an old lady. Beautiful house there, guys. Look at that up there. Big long corridor. I'm going to go back down to the kitchen. Look at this though, man. This is so cool. House of money, look. That's the front door. And down here. Into that bedroom there. Look at this. I'm going to go back down to the kitchen now. Look at that. Actually get into the kitchen now, I've got Claire moaning. Look how full it is. This conservatory's cool as well. Look at this, man. can see, I mean, look at the white mould. Can't see the guy or the name. He must have lived there. This is just full. You know, pots and pans everywhere. Oh wow. They're all strong though. There you go. 2012 on the Strongbow. Don't know what year that is. Might be a cool place, man. 2010 on that calendar. Might be an incline. 2010, so what's that? 13 years. Beautiful place, that guy. So, like I said, Claire didn't believe me, but they were in the fucking front garden looking at the house. It was weird. That was one of the most weirdest things I've ever seen. And it was a young guy with glasses. Claire.
I have to get out here.
Yeah, but I'm sure they would have shouted through the window, "No, you're in there."
I wouldn't have done nothing.
All these books, guys. God, this is absolutely heaving full. This is a hoarder's house, Claire, isn't it? I mean,
I had to poo my pants in this house.
what is the wine bottles that, guys? White Horse, Champagne, Prosecco, WD-40 and stuff. This house is absolutely full. See all this old champagne in it? These doors are, oh my god, there's even old stuff up here. All the jam jar, Lloyd Grossman. Look. Sorry about that. This is incredible. We are leaving this fucking house. Even I have got goosebumps in this house.
I can't cope.
That was, we've had ups and downs. Listen,
Oh, I'm up and down.
to get in
I
here,
can't cope.
to get in here has been horrific. When we got in, we nearly killed each other. Yeah, this has been one of the most craziest explores we
We're
have
on edge
ever done.
with each other, we're snapping each
I
other's
saw
heads
the
off.
I saw the lady in the fucking garden. I've got it on footage with a man looking in the house where we come through the window. Oh my god! Then we just had some. Claire, tell them how much that
I don't know, I'm
paranormal.
on edge and all we do is argue because we're on
Wow.
intense in here.
Guys, this
It's got the weirdest...
the retro house. Fucking hell.
I don't even know where I put the case for this.
Oh no!
I look in my bag, but I've been intense.
Oh guys, here we go. She's doing it again. I think I'm gonna just
No,
quickly.
don't leave me. Go and have a look. I'm scared someone will come.
Just wait there. Just wait there.
I
While
might
I
be upstairs. I've dropped loads of stuff on the floor. I might have to go and look up there.
look at this, guys.
I know where it'd be.
One last view of this room before we leave it. Magical retro house. Amazing time capsule. Amazing paranormal.
See, the bag's got a hole in it.
Look at it, guys. God, look, I've never looked at that stereo properly because. Oh yeah, look, the old Wi-Fi. Look at that. That's cool. Oh wow. Look at that record player though, man. And that beast of a picture. Amazing. Isn't it, Claire?
Yeah, I've lost. Yes.
Right. We'll be alright. There you go. There you go. Where are you going to find your case then, Claire?
So where we come in on the bed, or it's on the floor upstairs, I know.
Well, it's not there.
Excuse me, what I'm looking for.
No. The abyss. What? So, there you go, guys. I'm just going to say bye to this house. This magical room. I love this room. Goodbye to the children who lived there. Oh, there you go. The retro house. Yeah.
Someone's got a key to this place.
Yeah, can you move and let me first, please, sweetheart? I'll go first. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. I don't know. That's the house worrying me. Right guys, I'm not going to show you the way in. There you go guys, that Oxford's finest explorer. Look at this house outside. Right. Going around the back way. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. And I'll show you this from the outside. This is incredible guys. Wait until you see this. Oxford's finest explorer. Urban paranormal. Look at that beast, guys. Look at that beast. It's like a castle. We were just inside of that monster. There you go, guys. Urban paranormal Oxford. Oxford's finest explorer. The retro house. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notifications for future explores. We'll see you all next week. Goodbye.